Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start with Essentials, confirm your device and browser, and keep the page URL and credentials handy. Once done, open the browser menu and choose Developer Tools or Request Desktop Site. This is the first actionable toggle that forces desktop rendering. Make sure to clear mobile cache for consistent results, because mobile styles can persist. You should also set a stable viewport or user agent string if available. That change convinces the site to serve the full desktop layout instead of mobile content. You now change the user agent and viewport to complete the force. In Developer Tools, select the device toolbar, then open the user agent dropdown and choose a desktop option, for example Chrome on Windows. Once set, resize the viewport to a typical desktop width, like 1366px, and reload the page so the server and CSS deliver desktop assets. Make sure to inspect network requests and CSS breakpoints to verify desktop CSS and scripts are loaded. This confirms the site is using the desktop template. You finish by making the change persistent and checking functionality. Save a custom user agent profile or bookmark the desktop URL so you can return quickly. If elements break or features fail, clear cache and reload, because stale mobile CSS can interfere. Also disable any mobile-specific style injections. Make sure to test in incognito to rule out extensions or cookies. If problems persist, revert the agent briefly to compare responses, then reapply the desktop agent. This isolates server-side behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.